Morning, children. This book is called The Snowstorm. And do you remember, when I turn every page, you've got to have a look to see if you can find the duck. Okay, here we are, The Snowstorm. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot the farmer. She has 2 children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. In the night, there was a big snowstorm. In the morning, it's still snowing. You must wrap up warm, said Mrs. Boot to Poppy and Sam. Ted works on the farm. He helps Mrs. Boot look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, calls Ted. Where are you going? Says Poppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are all the sheep? Says Sam. They're all covered with snow, says Ted. We'll have to find them, said Poppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted and Poppy and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, said Sam. Poppy counts the sheep. There are only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are only 6 sheep. 1 is missing, said Poppy. It's that naughty Woolly, says Ted. They look for Woolly. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty's a good dog. Find Woolly, said Sam. Rusty runs across the field. Ted and Poppy and Sam run after him. Rusty barks at the thick hedge. Ted looks under the hedge. Can you see anything, said Sam. Yes, Woolly's hiding in there. Clever Rusty, said Ted. Come on, Woolly. Let me help you out, old girl, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Woolly out of the hedge. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, said Sam. What is it, Ted, said Poppy. Ted lifts out a tiny lamb. Woolly has had a lamb, he says. We'll take it and Woolly to the barn. They'll be warm there. Poppy rides home. She holds the lamb. What a surprise, she says. Good old Woolly.